Curiosity is the spark behind every idea. We know there are a lot of curious minds out there, eager to ask, discover, and learn. To help such curious minds who are preparing for design exams, Think Institute of Design have launched the Curiosity series. This series will help you prepare for the entrance exams to get into premier design institutions like IIT, NID, and NEFT. In this Curiosity series, we bring to you practice questions, short lectures on important topics, quizzes, study notes, explanation on previous year questions, and many more, which will help you prepare for your design entrance exam. The handicraft sector plays a significant role in India's economy while preserving its cultural heritage. It also represents the culture and traditions of a particular region. They are a substantial medium to preserve rich traditional hills and talents which are associated with people's lifestyle and history. In this video, we'll be discussing a few of the handicrafts in India which are important for your exam point of view. I'm Akhil Rajatnam and you're with Think Institute of Design. Here we are looking at few of the famous and very important handicrafts in our country which has been accorded the geographical indication status by Government of India. They are Bidri ware from Karnataka, Dokra art from Central India, Tanjavur dolls from Tamil Nadu, Aramula mirrors from Kerala, and Gorakhpur terracotta from Uttar Pradesh. A notable metal handicraft from south is the Bidri ware. Bidri ware is a metal handicraft from Bidar in Karnataka which was developed in the 14th century during the rule of Bahamani Sultans. It is manufactured from an alloy of copper and zinc by casting. The metal used is a blackened alloy of zinc and copper inlaid with the sheets of pure silver. Due to its striking inlay work, Bidri ware is an important export handicraft of India. The world famous artistic metallic work which was on a decline is currently on the revival path following the introduction of several innovative designs and new patterns. The native art form has also gained the geographical indication status by Government of India. A very famous brass craft from Central India is the Dokra art. Dokra art is practiced by the tribals of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and West Bengal. It is a non-ferrous metal casting using lost vase casting technique. That is, a molten metal is poured into a mold that has been created by means of a wax. And once the mold is made, the wax mold is broken to take out the required handicrafts. An essential distinction between Dokra art and various other art forms found in nearby states is that Dokra art pieces are adorned with thin twisted brass wires. A unique kind of doll manufactured in the South India comes from the temple city of Tanjavur. Tanjavur doll is a type of traditional bobblehead toy made of terracotta material. The center of gravity and the total weight of the doll is concentrated at its bottommost point, generating a dance-like continuous movement with slow oscillations. The dance-like movements slow down into slow oscillations before stopping. The dolls have been given geographical indication status by Government of India in 2008. Kerala's most famous contribution to the handicraft list is the Aramula Kannadi or Aramula mirrors. Aramula mirror is a handmade metal alloy mirror made in Aramula in Kerala. The alloy is a mix of copper and tin, but unlike the normal silver glass mirrors, it is a metal alloy mirror which eliminates secondary reflections that is typical of the surface mirrors. It is polished for several days to achieve the mirror's reflective surface. The mirrors received a geographical indication tag in 2004. A centuries-old tradition from Uttar Pradesh is Gorakhpur terracotta. Gorakhpur terracotta has its origin from the Battat area in Gorakhpur district. It is a traditional art form practiced by the potters of that locality by baking clay with water and is heated and given the desired shape. They are completely handmade and is made in natural colors. Decorative pieces and toys of Gorakhpur terracotta are mostly made of animal figures like elephants, horse and camels. The centuries-old terracotta tradition has been accorded GI tag from Government of India. Here we are providing a model question for you to practice. You can comment the answers in the comment box below. So I hope you got an idea regarding few of the important handicrafts in India. See you with a different topic in next video. Until then, bye from Think Institute of Design.
We have short-term courses, long-term courses. Short-term courses include crash batches and foundation batch, and long-term courses include regular batches, repeater batches, and long-term weekend batches. For more details regarding our courses, visit our website www.thinkdis.com. The link will be provided in the description box below. Let's design your career. Let's design it together with Think Institute of Design. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also click the bell icon. Bye. Stay tuned for more updates.